In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your chart of accounts into Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look out for, so your accounts come in cleanly and correctly. Before we start, make sure you have your chart of accounts file ready as a CSV. Xero works best when each account has a unique code, a clear name, the correct account type, and an appropriate default tax rate. Keep the headers simple, remove any blank rows, and save your file in CSV format. It's also a good idea to export your current chart of accounts from Xero first as a backup, so you can compare after the import if you need to. Let's jump in. From your Xero dashboard, open the main menu and click on Accounting. This takes you into the area where you manage your books day to day and gives you access to your core lists and settings. Next, click on Chart of Accounts. You'll land on the full list of existing accounts. Take a quick glance to see what's already there, especially any system or locked accounts that Xero includes by default. Those can't be overwritten, so you'll want your import to complement what already exists, not clash with it. Consistent account codes help here. If a code in your file already exists, Xero won't create a duplicate. Now, click on Import. You'll see Xero's import screen, which guides you through bringing in the file. If you ever need a reference, there's usually a sample template available from Xero that shows the preferred column order and naming conventions. Click Browse to locate your CSV on your computer. Select the file you prepared earlier. Before you continue, double-check the essentials. Account types in your file should match Xero's categories. Bank accounts can't be created by import and must be added manually later. And tax rates in your file should exist in your Xero organization. Keeping your codes short and unique will also reduce validation errors. When you're ready, click Import. Xero will scan the file, and if anything doesn't match its rules, it will show you errors or warnings to fix. If that happens, simply cancel, adjust the CSV, and import again. When the import succeeds, you'll be returned to the chart of accounts list, now updated. Finally, spot check a few accounts you just imported. Confirm codes, names, types, and tax rates look right, and that any accounts you plan to use in bank rules or tracking categories align with your existing setup. That quick review ensures your reporting and transactions work smoothly from day one. And that's it. You clicked Accounting, opened Chart of Accounts, chose Import, browsed for your CSV, and completed the import. You're ready to start using your updated chart in Xero.